In today's video, I'll show you how to remove the order summary background image from the Shopify checkout page. As you can see in this example, I'm currently on my checkout page. On the right side of the screen, under the order summary, there is an image of the furniture right here. Let's assume we need to remove it. To make this change, first to log into Shopify admin account. Once you're in the Shopify dashboard, at the bottom left corner, click on Settings, and then select Checkout. On this page at the very top, look for your live checkout configuration, and then select Customize. On the left side of this page, under Settings, look for Order Summary, and here's the image section. To remove this image, simply click on it, and then select Remove Image. As you can see, the order summary color is now gray. Let's change it to white, and then save the changes. Once the changes are saved, allow a few minutes for them to update, then go back to your website and try refreshing the checkout page. And as you can see right here, the order summary image has been fully removed. So for now, that's all for this video. I hope you found it useful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please come on my channel. Thank you.